What's going on YouTube? Today we have a 2002 Nissan Xterra and we are changing the thermostat. Thermostat is located right down there. So to reach it, you're going to need to crank this AC pulley loose, this one right here, and then loosen this. Once you loosen these two, the belt will be loose. Alright, so you have another bolt located right here. It's a 12 millimeter. The top one right here is a 14, and then the pulley is also a 14. And it's a 12. Alright, so you got another bolt right down here. It's a 12 millimeter. Okay, so this one right here, other one on the side, 12 millimeter, and you got another 12 millimeter here. The belt will be loose, and then this bracket will be loose to be removed. Now, you need 12 millimeter to loosen the bolts on the thermostat. Alright, so now once you've loosened the thermostat housing, you got two bolts right here to remove on that bracket that holds the coolant hose. So it's a 12 millimeter. Now once the bracket is loose, everything is loose, you can pull it out. Gently pull it out. Remember, coolant will fall. Make sure you have a catch can or a bucket, something to catch it with. Okay, so here's the old thermostat. Remember how it's positioned. Alright, so now you can pull out the thermostat, gently pull it out. Remember, more coolant will gush out. Okay, and don't worry, I have a bucket under it. It's going inside my bucket. It's not going on the ground. I have a bucket to catch the coolant. Alright, so now you assemble back the thermostat, put a little silicone around it, and then you tighten the bolts. Alright, so now once you're done tightening the thermostat, you gotta put the bracket back. Remember, it's a 12 millimeter. Install this bracket. Remember to put the bottom bolt right there, and then you got another bolt on the other side. Okay? And then remember to put your belt back in place. And then start tightening. Once you've put the pulley back in place, tighten the AC pulley, the bracket, everything. Tighten them. Make sure everything is good. Torque them down. Now make sure you add coolant.